morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elle, and I thought for today's video I would do a satisfying car clean with me. If you are anything like me, then your car gets really messy really quickly, especially if you have kids. And so let me tell you what this is not. This is not a car detailing video. There are lots of those satisfying car detailing videos on YouTube. This is not that. This is where a real person in real life had half an hour to try and make the best of her vehicle. And so I wanted to show you kind of what you can get done in about a half an hour. And the point of this is I just want to show you that whatever mountain you have to climb today, if it seems like laundry that you'll just never get to the end of, or some task that you need to complete that just seems impossible to accomplish today. Sometimes we can get into the habit of thinking that if we can't do something perfectly, we shouldn't do it at all. And that's just not true. Sometimes good enough is good enough, especially in the times that we're living in today. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what I got done in half an hour and how much of a difference it really could make. So I'm just going in and starting off by taking all of the car seats out of my vehicle. Next, I'm going to go through and vacuum up as much of the mess as I can. A key thing here was to lift up the seats because that is where I found all sorts of hidden treasures lying underneath.
There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't.
Next was to wipe down all of the seats. So I wiped down all the seats as well as all of the liners that were on the floor mats and stuff, wiped down the doors. Everything that could be washed got a little scrub. Next, I decided to finally set up this organizer that I have had folded in the back of my SUV since I got it a year ago. And I just wanted some kind of system where I could organize the kids' sunglasses, sunscreen in the summer, as well as have an extra set of masks for the boys in a way that's organized and quickly accessible. So this thing was super cheap. You can get all sorts of kinds on Amazon. I'll put a few down below if you're in the market for one. But this made me feel a lot more organized with my vehicle. Next was to install all the car seats back in place. If you're a mom, can we have a minute? It is 2021. Why are we still struggling to install car seats? I think the closest we've come is the Britax Click-Tight. That is the easiest to install in my mind, but I still feel like we have put men on the moon. We have found vaccines for viruses. We have gotten a a whole host of things done, and yet we are still struggling to install car seats. There has to be a way where you put it in, you push a button, and it levels it and gets it all snug and secure. I don't understand. It really grinds my gears. Once I figured that out, I took a quick second to organize the center console of my vehicle, get rid of the trash, kind of make sense of it again. And then the last step was a very satisfying car wash. I know that these car washes are actually not very good for your car. The touchless ones are better. These ones are the worst because they're supposed to give you little micro scrapes on your car, but you know what? It was the closest to me, and again, a done something is better than a perfectly undone nothing. And so, you know, this was closer to my house. I decided to just go for it. It was like 10 bucks. Bob's your uncle. So I also find these car washes actually quite relaxing to drive through, and so I thought for the last bit of the video I would just let you enjoy it.
Someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you, just know that I'm with you through it all, and I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall.
That is it for today's video. Let me know if you would like more quick, clean videos of, like, it's not necessarily perfectly done, but just showing you what you can get done in 10 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever. Let me know if that is interesting to you. If so, what would you like to see me tackle next in a timeline? And what could we call this series? If I make it a series, what would you guys like to see it be called? You guys always have the most creative ideas. I hope you liked the video. If you did, I would love it if you click the thumbs up button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.